Anybody else getting this?
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
Thank you for being out here with me.
I was out here first.
Huh?
I was out here first.
I was out in the barn.
Yeah.
I got your message in the barn. So it started as hail, then it went to rain, fast rain, then it went slow rain, then it hailed again. Ooh, a lightning! I missed it. Well, I mean, I saw it, but y'all didn't get to see it. But for my friend Carolyn, who's probably still stuck in her office, she likes storms. Oh, hey, your sister Savannah is watching. Aww. We love you. Oof. I keep walking out past the safe zone. There's a shocker, huh?
I'm in the safe zone.
Yeah, you were in the safe zone.
So why is it hitting me?
Dude, you're famous. I don't even know who that is. Who is that? And it's slowing down again. Big thing we have to watch for is the water like that. Crazy. Hey, Michelle. What's the weather like where you are, sweetie? It has been, I'll tell you what, it's really finally gotten to be summer here. Things are finally starting to turn green. Your cousin is on.
Hello, cousin.
Hello, cousin. Maybe it'll hail again. Isn't it cool? Do you guys just love the sound of rain? I do. I love being out here. Warm and dry today, and the rest of the week wet. We have spent, like, since the first of the year wet. We're starting our 7th month of wet. I feel like it's a little like Seattle here. Okay, we're picking up again. See Lola there. She's starting to really get pounded. Can you guys hear it? It's picking up. Oh, I forgot to put the bunny cage away. Oh my gracious. See all that? Oh man. You know, you wish what?
I wish it were like this while I was at work so it wasn't hot.
While you were outside working?
Yeah, I don't mind the rain. I don't like the hot.
They wouldn't let you work in the rain, would they? Oh, check this out. It's like misting. Do you see that, Annie? Like, look how fine the rain is. It's like, ooh-wee. It's coming from a different angle now, look. Are you leaving me? Oh, Joe. Yeah. Oops, forgot Joe. Don't tell her I forgot her. But I totally did. She has a Civil Air Patrol tonight. She's supposed to be getting dressed, but yeah, so the rain has changed directions. It was coming at a slant. Now it's coming just straight down. Straight down. Yep. We get these little puddles in our driveway, and those are fun. Hi, Miss Amy Ficklin, I see you. Do you guys have, what kind of weather do you have there? I'm just curious what everybody's weather. I love weather, you guys. I love chasing these things and teaching my kids about it, and obviously being out in it. We were under the tree, under that tree, when it started, and I said we should probably at least go to the porch because it's a pretty big tree. Oh, got me. Pretty big tree, and well, if there's lightning, we should probably not be under the tree. So Got a couple of clouds dancing up there. I heard Denver's getting pelted. Oh yeah. Yeah, we get our puddles over there in that part. That's where Uncle Glenn parks, is right there. And then, okay, I'm gonna go out here real quick. Oh! And then right out here, we get a puddle, and we're starting to, see, it's starting to puddle up right there in the front. Puddle. So, see, look, there's the Annie totally hiding in the house. I just got out of the shower, so my hair's still wet, so it doesn't bother me to get wet. It's just gorgeous. I just love rain. It makes me so happy. That's super exciting. Oh, well, that guy's kind of interesting. Look at him dipping down. Where are you going, big fella? Right. No, we built him his own little bridge. And or sometimes I put him on my back and I carry him out there. I don't. Can you imagine? That would be so funny. Do you see that one, Annie? Look at that.
The curved one?
The one that made the hook right there. Kind of changing direction there. Everything was going that way. It started going that way.
This is what Antoinette looks like when she goes by.
Yes. No makeup and I didn't brush my hair. Just threw my clothes on and I was looking for a picnic basket. I was gonna I had this idea I was gonna go on a picnic. But that's not happening. Because now everything's all wet. And I'm not sitting down in this. I'm not. I kind of want to go out there and see what it looks like. Oh. So everyone over in Dacono, it doesn't look like they have it that bad. Grandpa, it looks dark up at Longmont. Oh, where we're going. Yay. Well, that's probably it. It's not going to be very much more exciting than this. I was wondering what this was going to do, if this was going to open up. There's a little bit of sun right there, but hard telling. There's Annie. Everybody say hi, Annie.
Hi, Annie.
All right. I'm going to go. I got to get Joe where she belongs. So, I love you guys. Bye.